Amber preserves life from millions of years ago. This piece holds a termite with a hidden water bubble. It offers invaluable insights into ancient ecosystems and conditions, a rare glimpse into the distant past. This is not just a typical termite fossil, but one with a rare feature, a water bubble, or anhydro, inside its abdomen. This unique specimen preserves a tiny droplet of ancient water. The anhydro is a time capsule, holding water that dates back millions of years, providing scientists with invaluable information about the environment and climate conditions of that era. The water moves as you shift the amber, making it a dynamic artifact. This movement is rare, as most fossils are static. This anhydro fossil is a testament to the incredible preservation power of amber, offering a tangible connection to the distant past. Termites and amber are rare, but one with an anhydro in its abdomen is truly unique. This discovery offers a glimpse into life in water from the distant past. Imagine a termite carrying a droplet of ancient water. Such finds provide invaluable insights into our planet's history. I appreciate your continuing support. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature.